Okay, everybody, this is our room. It's our family suite here at Cabana Bay. And you can see all the nice shelving that they have there, and a microwave and a sink. There's also a mini fridge down here, I believe. Yeah, it's actually the whole thing's a fridge. That is amazing. There's a lot, there's a nice trash can under there, under the sink. And this is a nice little table that you can
It's like a surfboard.
have. It does actually look like a surfboard. But it functions as a table with these two nice little bar stools. And then over here, this is just the living area. There is a nice set of chairs, and this sofa actually pulls out into a bed. It's got that really fun light fixture. There's the TV, and you've got some drawers for in here. And then this is the two queen size beds that we have with light fixtures on either side. I love the decor of this and the colors. It's so bright and fun and cheery. And this just, I don't know why, it just reminds me of something from I Dream a Genie. I don't know why, that's just what it reminds me of. And you've got a couple drawers that pull out there. This is a nice little pocket door that you can pull. I think, I don't want to break it. I think that it pulls. I'm not going to pull it because I'm afraid I might break it. But I think that that pulls across so you can make it into two rooms. And then you've got a nice TV here. So you can watch TV in bed if you want. This is the nice mirror that they have and a sink. You've got all your towels down here. You've got your hand towels up here. You've got a nice blow dryer. And then you've got some nice soap. Oh, it's nice organic soap. Cucumber and grapefruit. That sounds nice. And then it actually has it partitioned off so you can use, oh, Heather got the door. There we go.
Magical.
I was afraid that I was gonna hurt it. And then they've got a nice toilet in here with a trash can and your toilet paper. And then this light, you can see it a little bit better. It's not too dark in here though. So on that side, on the left side, you have the toilet. And then on the right side, you have the shower. And you have another sink in here with another mirror, which is really nice because then you can all be getting ready at the same time, but nobody's in anyone's way. So it makes for faster time to get into the parks. So it's just a nice regular tub and shower. And then there's another mirror. So yeah, the colors and the decor in here is so fun. It's a nice kind of retro 60s kind of feel, 50s, 60s feel. I feel like it's more 60s. So yeah, it looks really nice.
Colors are gorgeous.
Yeah, they pop. It's really pretty. And then you've got 4 outlets here by the beds, which is really nice since I know we've mentioned it before in room reviews, but we always have to have all of our phones charged. So that works out really well. And then we're going to check out our view. This is our view.
Or a fire pit over there.
Oh yeah, there's a view of the fire pit.
Oh, the lazy river.
This is one of the pool view rooms. So we have more foliage than we do pool, but you can see it. If you look over there, you can see it over there.
I like seeing the nature anyway.
So I do too. It gives you, even though it's a pool view, but
it feels like you're in a tropical location with all that.
Yeah, it feels a little bit more private and secluded than if you were just straight out looking at the pool.
Yeah.
But you can see how close we are to one of the towers here. But yeah, it's a really nice view. I'm gonna scooch you guys over here. This is a closet to hang everything in. We need to get our robes in there because they're gonna get wrinkled. But yeah, so that was our short little tour of our family suite at Cabana Bay. And then
stick with us as we explore the world together.
See ya.
Bye.